Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. Birds flying high.
Look at the dad shoes. What are those?
Good morning from Bali. This is day number 2. Yesterday was amazing. We went to the lawn, as you guys saw, and we went on a scooter ride. Today we're gonna be checking out some waterfalls. Look at the breakfast that we have. It's not your typical breakfast. We have a floating breakfast right here. So we have our, hey, this is kind of like a lazy Susan. So we have French toast, French press coffee, we have Balinese crepes, and banana almond pancakes with a view. We've just left Sejuk Villas. It was absolutely amazing. It's a bittersweet, but the sweet part about it, we're off to go see some waterfalls right now. And even better yet, we have our friend Volcano. Volcano was our driver last year, and so we've stayed in contact with each other for the last year, and sure enough, right when we got here, he was ready to venture with us, so we're super stoked on that. Next stop,
waterfall.
and then probably 2 after if we have time. My gosh. That is crazy.
Oh my gosh, there's more!
Oh shit. I'm not about this life right here. Can I touch him? It's not gonna bite?
You hold like this, you hold. Come on, come on, come on.
Hold.
Like this, no, like.
If this thing starts, this is ridiculous. If he starts wrapping around my neck, I'm gonna freak out.
This, okay, you hold.
Yeah?
Two, okay?
Okay.
No problem?
I don't like snakes whatsoever. You guys, this is not cool. Holy! Get that thing off my face. Okay. Okay. Do I look comfortable?
No, you look scared.
Okay, wait. I'll try to be cool. Okay, there we go. Enough of this snake action. Now we're overseeing, what lake is this?
Apuyan Lake.
Apuyan?
Yes.
This is Apuyan Lake. And there's monkeys over here. I don't know if you can see the monkey with the baby right on front. How cute is that? Uh-oh, that's a big one. I think he's protecting. We've just made it to the parking spot for the waterfalls. Now we venture. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Sorry you had to hear that. We made it. Well, we didn't make it to the main waterfall, but check out this waterfall. Boom! And now we have made it to the second floor waterfall. The hike here took about, I'd say maybe an hour, but that's because we stopped a few places along the way to take photos and to kick the drone up, which I was super sketch about the drone because they had said that there's a lot of people that take their drones up and they go missing because of the Wi-Fi apparently. Fortunately, we didn't have any problems. I didn't want to get too carried away with the drone stuff and push my luck because this is only the second day of 8 full days that we're going to be here this trip. So I want to get some other stuff as well. All right, we are gonna go and head back down. See you at the bottom. Absolutely amazing. So we've made it back to the van from the waterfalls. Holy jeez. I mean, okay, endurance-wise, I was all right, but as far as the heat, completely saturated. This one over here, she was wearing her sweats and hoodie on the way driving up, and she couldn't wait to get them back on when we first started walking, but little did she know it was going to warm up.
Well, I knew I would have back sweat.
The seat right now, puddle everywhere. Ow.
Ow.
Alrighty, we are on our way to the next waterfall. Okay, so now we are walking across to the water side that we were looking at initially from the little cliff jumping spot. I didn't initially want to go on there, but the guy jumped in right after me. He said, okay, let's go. So I guess we're going.